So luckily its axle is came out, and that was C-clip is over here, not here, it's over here. Okay, you just pull it out. This is new axle, so we have to count the splice over here, because what happen is, like, sometimes they are same models but they have a different supply over here. So, or you can just put it in before fixing permanently, just put it from the hub. If it goes in, you're good. So I'll just take it out this axle, put a C-clip over here, and look over here, that bearing is going to be jammed. It's not good, so this is good time to change it. By the way, this line has also come out from here. I don't know, I never changed the bearing, but yeah, maybe you can change it or not. I had never changed it over here. So definitely you need a press and put it out and press it in. But it's over here, common thing is like we replace complete CV joints, and this was leaking, and that is the issue. We are changing it. Thank you for watching. I'll make it other side as well, but that is the difficult one, so I just take it out this one and try to make it first video over here, and then we'll go on the left side. This is passenger side, right side of the car. Thank you for watching. This is Shahrukh, Motor Services Provider. Hopefully it will help you out, this video. Thanks.